Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. So there's a step-by-step guide. Just open the Steam account and make sure you will have logged in. And as you can see, the right bottom corner option are the three lines. Just tap, and after we will move in the wallet. Just tap. So right now you will see this is my account. So we will just tap on it, see my account details. So here you will just have no payment method so associated with this account. So just tap on it, add a payment method to this account. Just tap. So right now here you will just have to select your Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover or GCB. So just add your card number, your expiration date, your security code and billing information. Correct. And after you will just have to continue and we will go back, and then you will able to see withdraw option into your bank account. So in this way you will just have to withdraw money from Steam to bank account directly. So that's it. Thank you so much.